Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Salesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn how to create an application in OpenShift using OC command line tool. In the end I will have a demo. So in order to use OC command line tool we have to download the binary file, that is OC command line tool, from the Red Hat website. Using OC command line tool, so we need to log into our OpenShift cluster via command line tool. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then please go and watch, in which I have shown you as how we can log in into the OpenShift cluster via command line tool. So after logging into the system we need to use a command OC new app and then the app or the repository which we wanted to use. So it will build and deploy our application onto the cloud using command line tool. Then we will check the status of the application using the command OC status. So let us begin the demo. If you haven't seen my previous videos and if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe this channel so you will get the latest updates whenever I upload a new video. We will go to the command line tool and we will check the OC version command. Since we are using OpenShift 4, so we need our binary should be of at least 4 version. So client version it is showing as 4.3.19. Then what we will do is like we will log in into the system. So I am using the command to log in into the cluster. So I have logged into the system and I am inside the project Codecraft Shop which I have created earlier. After this I will execute a command OC new app and then the name of the repository which I wanted to deploy, and I am assigning it a label and then I'm giving it as name as Node.js CMD. So once I hit this, it will deploy the project, or we can say that deploy the source code onto the OpenShift cluster. So if you can see on my screen, it is deploying the application. It is creating resources with the label name Node.js CMD, and it has created the image stream, build configs and deployment configs, and after that the build gets successful, and this is all the information about the creation of application using command line tool. So we will check the status of the application. Now we will go into the web console and we will verify the project. If you can see on my screen, so this is the new app which we have created, and this is the previous app that we have created using the web console, and this is the new app that we have created using the command line tool. So it's get deployed, and we will we will need to expose the services so that we can use it through the web console. So we will expose the services in order to use. When we create the application using the command line tool, automatically the services will not be exposed. So we will expose the services using the command OC expose, then the name of the service. So I am exposing the services, so it will create a route through which I can access the application in the browser. So it is saying that once I executed the command, so it is saying that the route is exposed. We can verify the logs using this command, so it will show the status of the application or the logs while the application is in creation mode. So it is showing the logs of the build config. So if you can see on the screen, it has given us a lot of information. What are the steps that is going inside the Node.js template, and the deployments and the image push to this directory. So now if you can see on my screen, now we have the URL exposed, and we can access this application that we have created using command line in the browser. So let me click it. So now you can see that the application is in running phase. So this is all about creating an application using command line tool. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe this channel, because it will help you in getting the most latest updates and the updated videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle CodeCraftShop. Thank you.